Every day, professionals all around the world are asking one particular question. It's not about salary, it's not about promotions, it is about survival. Will AI take my job? Is my job an AI replaceable job? And today, I want to share with you certain things that will completely surprise you. I'm going to give a list of jobs that can never be taken over by AI. They can never be replaced by AI. It's not about might not, they cannot take over. The data is clear, the reasoning is straightforward. Please subscribe and stay till the end. Hi, this is S.Y. Kumar with over 20 years of professional experience and having coached over 20,000 professionals like you. I'm here to share with you certain practical steps or tips. I am giving you a list of non-IT jobs that are AI proof. I will also show you why these jobs are not replaceable by AI. You can apply the same logic even if your job is not one among the listed. Let us get into it. The AI panic is real, but it is also being manufactured. There are three specific parties that benefit out of this manufacturing. One, of course, is the AI companies. They want more clicks. They want to sell more of their products. The second is the new channel. They want their TRP to be rising. And of course, the influencers, the so-called tech influencers who want more engagement with their audience. These are the three sets of people that are over projecting the threat of AI. AI can never take a job, but AI can definitely take certain tasks. And this particular distinction changes everything. Let's see how. If your work is 90% repetitive, predictable, and rules-based, then your job may be at a risk. Your job may be at a risk whether you are in IT or non-IT industry. If your work requires judgment, context, emotional intelligence, and human relationships, you have a runway. And that describes most of the non-IT jobs that we are having today. The real question is not, will my job be automated? But how much of what I do requires uniquely human judgment. With that framework in mind, let me show you 5 specific non-IT jobs that pass this test. The first job that I can talk about it is people manager or leader. Leadership is definitely not data. Handling human emotions. For example, a service provider shouted at your colleagues, or the traffic around your office increased suddenly, causing the commute time to increase by 30 minutes. And what is the status of the employees when they want to come on time? Motivating teams. For example, a team is frustrated about the squeeze in the schedule, which is agreed by the sales with the client without consulting you. How do you feel? How does your team feel? They certainly need motivation. Another example, navigating politics. There is that individual who never talks direct. Then there is always this gossip, grapevines, etc. So to handle all these inevitable evils, you definitely need what is known as leadership, which today's AI has not been able to handle. AI can suggest decisions, but it cannot lead people. So if you are in a leadership role, you are safe and sound. Leadership requires human judgment and emotional intelligence beyond AI capabilities. Remember this. The second job in this series is sales and relationship roles. High ticket sales can never be automated because people do not buy products, they buy trust. And the trust is built over conversations. It is a connection that is established through emotions. In terms of conversations, AI is yet to, or it is yet to prove itself to be context sensitive. Any small change in the context, AI cannot handle. When it comes to emotions, AI is able to handle data and processes, but it is yet to catch up with the emotions. Now, today the trend is humanizing AI output. Now, we moved from human, we wanted to simplify things and move to AI, and today AI is being given practice to behave like humans. That itself says that it is yet to handle it. AI is yet to be seen to be handling emotions. The connections that you make with people, the understanding that is achieved through empathy. Again, AI is not ready asset. Maybe there is a lot of research going on, but even till today, people who are in the sales roles, particularly the front end sales, where high ticket sales is achieved by interactions, empathy, and the human connections that are associated with that. You don't have to worry about it. The third in the series is a strategic decision making roles. AI is able to give predictions and answers. AI is yet to understand the human powers fully. In fact, we humans are yet to explore the power of AI to say exactly. Leaders or people can decide what risk to take, what not to do, when to pivot. These decisions AI cannot take. The strategy in any organization is primarily about ambiguity. It revolves around the complexity or the ambiguity of dynamics, the business dynamics that is changing every moment. AI struggles with the dynamics today. So if you are in a strategic decision making role, you are safe again. The fourth job that I would prescribe is skilled trades and field roles. Example, electricians, technicians, engineers, surveyors, operators of equipment. Now, such roles require physical work. It's not just the power, it's the knack or trick or the nuance that makes these skills stand apart. Example could be the art, craft, or sculpture, or even running a earth mover in a slope that is steeper than any theory can support. Next challenge that AI faces when it comes to this category of jobs is that the real-time decisions that needs to be taken. The situation is too dynamic for a machine or AI to understand it and then correct itself or course correct, adjust itself, what we say, accommodate itself in that moment of contact that it establishes with the material or product. So this is yet to, even in spite of an automation that you can call about replacing hundreds of people, when it comes to that human touch that is needed, is even today it is not able to catch up. The third challenge in this category is the environmental adaptability. It is determined by the degree of freedom. We call about in equipment and machinery, we call multiple axes of freedom, X, Y, Z, and then within the axis the rotational directions. For example, a robo. Today, even in spite of over 4 decades of research around robotics and automation, you cannot name but a single robo that is made or that can take care of anything that is not given to it already, not practiced, not trained. If A is not trained in what it is supposed to be doing, it cannot handle that situation. So that's why skilled trade remains hard to automate. The fifth job in this category is coaching, training, and mentorship. Information is free, but transformation is human. AI can handle any amount of information that it is trained to handle, whereas it cannot really check on the transformation that a coach or a mentor can bring about with their words. People no more need content that is available aplenty. Now you call it over the net into YouTube, or the content creators are dumping trillions of bytes of information on the web, and you can access anything. Most of them are free. 75 to 80% of the information available on the internet is free. You can download, you can watch videos, you can go through podcasts. But true mentorship or coaching, it needs guidance, feedback, and accountability. Guidance, in the sense I say, hand-holding, motivating, and inspiring. You don't know when your ward or a mentee will get stuck. What type of input needs to be given? Whether it is a question or a guidance, advice that needs to be given. AI cannot handle this situation all the time. Maybe there are certain levels to which AI is being given practice. Once again, it all depends on the amount of training that you have given to AI. Feedback, encouraging a person when he or she is making a mistake. AI definitely cannot adjust to this emotional disturbances, the lack of confidence that creeps in. AI cannot handle accountability when it comes to coaching and mentoring. What happens when something goes wrong? The coach is giving some information and asking certain questions with the coachee, and the When the coachee goes and then puts it to practice, something goes wrong. There is no accountability that is still associated with the. In fact, any answer that AI gives is only predictions. They cannot give you like a mentor, a specific advice with which you are more than 80% likely to be successful. You will observe many of the large language models like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude. Whenever you interact and you ask certain questions, the outcome comes with a disclaimer. So this Gemini or ChatGPT is AI. AI can make mistakes. Then where is the accountability? If something that you want to depend on for your rest of your life is likely to make mistakes and it is declared by the creators themselves, so where is the accountability that can come? So therefore, coaching, mentoring, and training people is still a job that AI cannot replace. That's where humans win. So therefore, there are three common threads. What makes a job AI proof? The first one is human judgment, particularly under uncertainty. The second one is relational capital, the trust and rapport that humans can build among each other. Third is the contextual intelligence. If I'm not trained in a particular area, I cannot give answers. A human exactly knows what he can do and how he can come over a situation that he has never faced in his life. So these are the three areas where if your job predominantly requires any three of these or a combination of these, you can comfortably say that your job is safe. All I would suggest is instead of running away from AI or being scared about AI that it will take your job, think about what you can do with AI in your job, particularly when it is a repetitive work and which is based on information that AI can already consume. So look at the possibilities of using AI to replace certain tasks that you do, which can help you to increase your efficiency or effectiveness. That way you can stay safe, not just safe, look at a career growth opportunity by improving your productivity and efficiency. So the actionable takeaway I would say is audit your own role against these three traits. And if most of your work scores high, you are safe than you think. If not, start moving toward the human judgment part of your function. So let me share with you seven actionable steps. Let me share with you 7 actionable steps that you can start from tomorrow itself. Document where you use judgment versus follow rules. Invest in communication, writing, speaking, pitch, body language, influence, etc. Build cross-functional relationship. Become the person who knows how to use AI in your team. Learn about AI. Don't run away from it. Lead. The fourth actionable is lead, don't follow. Spot problems, propose solutions, coach others, take the lead. The sixth one is stay curious. AI doesn't get bored. AI never gets bored. Any time, any amount of time, any number of tasks you repeatedly ask it to do, it will be doing. And because of which it doesn't grow. You stay curious, you will grow. The seventh is stop fearing AI. Start partnering with it. So the list of 5 jobs that I give here is the first one is the people manager or leader. Second is sales and relationship roles. Third is strategic decision making roles. Fourth is skill based trades and field roles. The fifth one is training, coaching, and mentorship. So the safest careers are not in one particular industry or in one title. They are where human skills meet machine capability and where your unique value built over years stands out. If this gave you a new perspective, please do share it with your friends. On this channel, I shall be sharing practical strategies that help working professionals start a nice career, survive in the corporate world, and grow strategically without stress and fear. Do subscribe to my channel and see you in another video. Thanks for watching.